In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Confluence Calendar with Outlook. We'll keep this simple and clear by first grabbing the subscription link from Confluence, then adding it to Outlook so your events show up where you need them. Start in your Confluence account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand panel and expand the Apps section. From there, click on Calendars. This opens the list of calendars you have access to. Find the specific calendar you want to sync. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or use Search if available. When you've located the right one, look to the right of its name and click the More Options button, the one that looks like 3 dots. In that menu, choose Subscribe. Confluence will ask you to select your app, pick Microsoft Outlook, and then choose whether you plan to use Outlook on the desktop or in the browser. This ensures Confluence gives you a compatible subscription link. You'll see a URL appear. This is the calendar feed. Copy that URL to your clipboard. Treat this link like private information since it gives access to the calendar's events. Now let's switch to Outlook. Open your browser and go to outlook.com. Sign into your account, then click the calendar icon in the sidebar to open the calendar view. At the top or left, click Add Calendar. From the options provided, choose Subscribe from Web. You'll see a field where you can paste the URL you copied from Confluence. Paste it in carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces. Give the calendar a clear name you'll recognize later, like the project or team name, then click Import. Outlook will add the calendar and begin pulling in events from Confluence. It may take a minute or two for everything to appear, so don't worry if it's not instant. You'll find the new calendar listed alongside your other calendars, and you can toggle it on or off to show or hide it. If you don't see events after a few minutes, double check that you pasted the correct link and that you have permission to view the calendar in Confluence. A quick tip: this type of subscription is typically read only, which means you'll see updates from Confluence in Outlook, but you should make changes in Confluence itself. Outlook will refresh the feed periodically, so new or edited events will sync automatically without any extra work on your part. That's it. Your Confluence calendar is now synced with Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your scheduling.